Ah, what a lovely day. I'm just walking around, taking care of my bees. I think I'll head up to that spider webs and stuff. See what's going on up there. What? I think I see something. Dear Lord, what is it? Bonk, 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 bonk. I think I killed it. Make haste. Come on, my bees. Hey guys, it's your boy Brave Bread back with another video. And I am playing
You
Bee Swarm.
are.
Yeah, with my editor Julio. Yeah, I am. Oh, can I go inside the spider cave?
I am Julio. Yeah.
We don't have much to do here except we're gonna find this egg.
Oh, you want to do the egg thing?
That's what we're doing. That's the reason we came.
Oh yeah,
here.
okay, I'll do that with you. I've already gotten it. So I'll gladly do it with you. So go to Sun Bear. Yeah, go talk to him.
Oh, it's a sprinkler. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Hey.
Yeah, go to Sun Bear.
Oh God, praying mantises are preying on me.
Oh.
I died.
Oof. Bam.
My bees can stay there. That's okay.
Hey, well,
All right. So which bear do I have to go to?
Sun Bear. He's by the 20 like ant field thing. He's by the first shop. You should.
Okay, I already talked to him.
Oh, so you need to go to Black Bear, Mother Bear, and Brown Bear.
Where's Black Bear at again?
He's next to the red cannon.
Next to the red what?
Cannon. By the ticket shop. Sunflower. Okay. Sunflower.
I'm where Mother Bear is right now.
Okay. Well, get her challenge. Okay. Once you get her challenge, follow me.
Okay, I talked to Mother Bear. What now?
Okay, now go to Brown Bear. Follow me.
Bonk. Forget. I don't. Okay.
And now follow. Just follow my bees. Yeah, just follow the direction the bees are going.
Your bees are faster than me, dude.
Whoa.
And I can't jump as high as you. Oh, well, your bees are gone. I don't know where you are. Okay.
I'm here.
Look up behind you. There's a beetle. Oh, the beetle's dead.
Yeah, I killed them very fast.
Honey.
Hey,
my mask will be leveled up.
There's a tornado. Anyway, come. This boy. Look, I'm little him.
There's so much stuff happening on screen that I can't.
I'm little him.
Oh.
Well, just do that.
Alright, I read it. What now?
Okay.
Well, you can jump up there, but I can't.
Come with me.
So.
Come with me.
Where are you? Right there? Okay, hey. No! Screw it.
Open the shop and get the scissors.
Get the scissors.
Yes.
Yes.
Now come. Go back to Brown Bear. Meet me back at the clover field where Brown Bear is. Now down here.
Okay, down
Cut.
here.
Press E to cut.
Eat.
Now, if you want to go back, and change your thing, you can. And you just gotta do this parkour. Just gotta do this parkour. Oh. Good job.
Ah! I died! How could this happen to me?
How could this happen to me?
You were so young.
You were too young.
Oh, yeah, my bees aren't here. Where are my bees at? They should join me.
It doesn't matter. You don't need them. Well, kind of you do, but I have my bees, so I can help you.
But then you'd be the one defeating them.
No, I wouldn't. Well, I mean, kinda. Anyway,
Because I don't have any of.
Now
Here they are.
Now we do the parkour, and we don't fail.
My PC is lagging so much that it can't even jump.
Sorry, my
I
bees.
literally walked off the. You should. Same thing happened to me. Okay, I'm here.
Yeah. Now we gotta fight these guys. Be careful with the grenades. And also
Oh
don't
God, they
touch
got
them.
bombs.
And also don't touch them.
I know, I'm trying, but one's chasing after me, and I'm terrified for my life. I can see this. I can see. Alright, we killed it. What now?
Now we go back to Brown Bear.
Can I just die?
Well,
Oops.
yeah, you can.
I died.
And then we have to do the other challenges.
Alright, so go talk to Black Bear?
No, Brown Bear. The clover field!
I'm going.
And
Cloverfield.
And the quest.
Where is it?
The quest just. It's where we cut the ropes.
Oh. Oh, that's the Cloverfield. Oh.
Boy! Just talk to him and then do the rest of the challenges.
Leave me alone, you dumb beetle.
Beetlejuice.
Can you not summon demons? Thank you.
Too bad.
Commando chick hideout complete. What's next? Alright, show me where to go next.
What?
Show me where to go next. It didn't give me the egg.
Yeah. You need to do all the other people's challenges.
Alright, well, what are they?
You know, Mother Bear's challenge, Black Bear's challenge. Okay, Mother Bear's, it's either Mother Bear's or Black Bear's. Challenge is easier. Okay, head to the sunflower field where Mother Bear is.
I'm going now. This video has reached 12 minutes.
Well, there's a lot that falls out, so does it really matter?
Hey, Mother Bear, your bees are absolutely enamored with you.
Now we just need to go and hang out in this field for a bit till we find one of the birds to capture. So
what are we trying to capture?
Now we play the wait. Okay, wait. Now capture it. Did you get it?
I'm jumping on it. Nothing's happening.
No, not the
Oh.
leaf. The animal. Did you capture it?
No.
Okay, go to
Where
the
is
quest.
it?
Did it say you caught one? Okay, just hang out in that field for a bit. They'll appear. Also, maybe you should change your back to the shovel. So,
Maybe I should, but I still have to hang out here. Oh, I found one! I found one! I found one!
hey,
Yes.
capture it.
Get over here. You're mine. I'm gonna cut that off. Yeah, get over here.
Did you get it?
I think so.
Go to the quest.
Capture chick. Yep, I captured the chick.
Now we need
What
2
now?
more. Vivacious bee. Oh my god, what?
You,
Now
oh
you just
my
gotta hang
god.
out. Now you just guacamole. Now you just gotta hang out in that field for a bit. Guacamole.
In which?
It'd be the ravioli.
Which field? The clover field?
No, the field. The sunflower. To
I
get.
thought I already captured. I thought I already
You need to
captured the
capture
chick.
3. You need to capture
3?
Look at the quest. How many does it say you have to capture?
3. Found another.
Okay,
Hey,
come
what's up,
up.
dude? Get over here. You cannot escape death.
It is inevitable. And we caught it. Okay, one more.
Didn't tell me be caught.
Did it say you caught it?
No.
So you have how many out of 3?
1 out of 3. Yeah. Oh no! I think I captured it again, unless that was from when we went to go to the commando chicks.
No, yeah. Oh, there you go. Did it work? Did it say you captured?
Yep, capture chick.
Okay, now you need 1 more.
Yeah. Big boom.
Baby boom.
I used to spend hours and hours at a time on this game.
Yeah, so did I. Just to complete
Hey.
like a certain science barrier.
Why are they running away? Why are you running?
Why are you running?
We captured her.
Yeah, so that's 3 out of 3.
That's it. Okay, what now?
What does the quest say to do?
Nothing.
Just
I don't
capture
have an explanation.
3. Just capture 3.
Let me check my quests.
Just capture 3.
Alright, I completed it. Click. I captured 2 chicks and I captured 300 and I collect 300 pollen from sunflower field. Talk to black bear. Talk to black bear. Oh, I only captured 1. You need to leave. You need to just get out of this area. Keep your bees away from this area. I have to capture it myself.
Okay.
Because I only caught 1. And that's not a good thing.
Sure.
Hey, get over here. You cannot escape the inevitable. I captured the chick. Come on. Let's see. How many more do I need? Help 3 bears capture chicks. I think I already helped her.
Did you capture 3?
Alright, for a sunflower coral, it says collect 300 pollen from sunflower field, then talk to black bear. Capture 2 chicks from the sunflower field. Complete, talk to black bear. For the egg hunt chick invasion, it says help 3 bears capture chicks. 1 out of 3. Meaning I don't get it. Am I capturing them?
No. Okay. You've helped 1 bear capture a chick, which was the black bear. Okay, just go talk to black bear. Does he have the explanation mark?
Yeah.
Okay, then you completed one of the challenges.
You see the sunflower field. You're a hero. I'm like the. Hey! 5 tickets, 3 jelly beans, and 10 sunflower
Now,
seeds.
go talk to Mother Bear. Does she have an exclamation mark?
No.
Okay, what was her challenge?
Let's see. It doesn't say.
It should.
Well, I need one more. I need one more quest from one of the bears.
Yes, the Mother Bear. What is her quest?
And
What does it say?
Search for a spotted chick.
Oh! A spotted chick. Where did I find mine?
Spotted chicks, right.
Where did I find my one?
And I have to feed one moon charm to one of my bees.
Oh yeah, that's easy. I don't remember, where did I find the spotted, chick? I don't remember. I think it was in the dandelion field?
I found a spotted chick.
Capture it. Oh yeah, it's in there.
I captured it.
Good. Now go to your hive and
Okay.
feed one of your bees a moon charm.
Get in there, buddies. Alright, let's see here. Bees. Badges, system, shop. Where do I find the stuff that I need?
That's the egg.
At the end?
No, it's the
Eggs and
egg.
items. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's see, I have a marshmallow bee.
No, feed it the food, like the pineapple, blueberries. No, I mean the moon charm. Find the moon charm and feed it and drag it and to one of your bees.
It's not working, I'm clicking it.
No, you drag it.
There we go, now it's working. Who do I want to give it to?
Whoever.
You. What?
I said whoever, it doesn't really matter.
Yes. Alright, I did it.
Okay. Now, does it say
It's
you
ready.
completed that
I finished
now
it.
go to
I gotta
Mother
go
Bear.
back to Mother Bear. Hey, Mother Bear, how's it going?
Spicy pepper.
Alright, so what's our next challenge? I need to talk to her again.
No, you
I
don't.
think,
No, you
right?
don't. Go talk
Okay.
to Sun Bear.
Where's Sun Bear at?
You know, the person you got the challenge.
Oh, yeah, okay.
This guy. You know.
I don't like simulators, but hey, I completed it.
And now
What the?
Oh yeah, you got the royal. Did you get the star jelly?
Yeah, I got the star jelly. What does it do?
Give it to one of your you know, the first bee, you know.
I'm going to give it to a low-level bee.
They're all low level. I mean, give it to I'll give it to a basic bee.
I have a rage bee jelly. Star jelly. Okay, who do I give it to?
Give the star jelly to your basic bee. To one of your basic bees.
There you go.
And now you have a star. That guy.
I have a hard head bee who can't be bossed around and tells others where to go. It's a stubborn bee. I already have one of those.
It's okay. But now you get star. Now it's special. Now it's better than all the others.
What it's a star. Alright.
Use the rage B on one of them. Oh,
Yeah, I
okay.
put Rage B.
Well, I guess that's the end of the video. We did what we wanted.
We did what we needed, so I guess,
Let's stand next to each other. Okay, you can end it now.
I got a Bumblebee from Rascal B, okay. Alright guys, well, this has been your boy, Brave Bread, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
There's a disgusting creature next to me, but I wasn't gonna say anything. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Stay butter my breads!